Hello, let me explain some features of mobile dryer RG202F. In the past, REGENI produced only for AC220 for RG202 and AC110 for RG202F. This F means free voltage. It is available for either AC110 or AC220. So now we only produce RG202F. That's free voltage, so it can be used for AC220 power source or AC110. When power cable is connected, this is main power button, and this heat button is from the room temperature or present temperature to increase, and then maintain the target temperature for setting time. So at the present setting for the previous movie, I tried to explain to dry the PCB to remove humidity on the PCB before using BJ rework station to desolder any BJ chip. So in that case, I recommend to use it at 80 for 90 seconds and then use one button to maintain about 70 for several continuously for several hours. Actually, it will be 1 day by the most recommendable storage time at this temperature. Actually, there is another industrial or other type of forced convection chamber oven. This is also usable for that kind of use. So there are two applications. One is to reduce stickiness of the sticky tape inside the mobile phone to disassemble the phone. So as you see, when the door is open, the lamp turns on. This is temperature sensor, so there is heating wire around the walls, and this heating wire is very hot, so be careful not to touch any wall because it will go up to 110 or 120 Celsius degrees to exert only 80. So although the display temperature is 80, but actually the temperature will go up 110 to 120 Celsius degrees. I mean, more than 100 Celsius degrees will make you face heartburn. So please try to use only this sliding frame to place the phone or take out the phone. And this fan is the core part for the forced convection. So the heating is available along the wall of the chamber, and then this forced convection is available by this fan. So this heat on button is mainly for this function. So when the lamp in red turns on, it starts to heat from the present temperature, and this display temperature is not exactly the same temperature as you measure with your temperature thermometer. So this is only reference, and the application of this mobile dryer is to disassemble the mobile phone or remove humidity on the PCB before using BJ workstation. if one button on, then after this heating for this time, and then it will go to this warm function continuously. So all other things are the same as you already know. Just like this, when the door is opened, you will see the DO, door open message, and the fan will stop. But if the temperature inside is more than 48 Celsius degrees or so, then it will continue to turn and it will slowly go down. And when the first heating is finished, the temperature will go down. If warm on button is not turned on, then after temperature reach 48 Celsius degrees or so, the total heating will be, the cooling will be finished. So this is temperature sensor. Yeah. And this is door sensor. As you see, this door sensor is push it, the fan is working, and the lamp turned off. This is door sensor. Like this. So when the door is closed, the door sensor is push it, so the inside the lamp turned off and the fan revolves.